Good evening, class 6 student. This is your math workbook of class 6. Now we are continuing our chapter 7. In previous video we have done till worksheet 7.5. So now we are starting worksheet 7.6. So student, it is short type question and each question have 2 marks. So first is at 1 whole 1/3 and 2 whole 3/7. So first this is in mixed fraction. First we convert into improper fraction. So 3 multiply 1 plus 1 4/3 and 7 2 are 14 plus 3 17/7. Then the LCM of 3/7 is 21. Then we have to make the denominator, both denominator 21. So we multiply by 7 in denominator and numerator. So 7 4 are 28 and same here we multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator. 17 multiply 3 51/21. So 28 plus 51 is equal to 79/21. So after convert the mixed fraction 3 whole 16/21. This is the answer. Second is subtract 1 whole 1/5 from 2 whole 3/5. So first we write 2 whole 3/5, then minus 1 whole 1/5. First we convert into improper fraction. So 5 2 are 10 or 3 13/5 minus 6/5. Now the both denominator are same, so we write common 5. Then 13 minus 6 is equal to 7/5. Then we convert into mixed fraction. So 1 whole 2/5 is answer. Question number 3 is find 4 whole 4/13 of 65 centimeter. So 65 multiply 4/13. So we cancel 65 from 13 5 times and 5 multiply 4 20 answer. Next is question number 4. What fraction of a meter is 25 centimeter? So 25/100, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. After reduce we cancel 100 from 25 4 times. So 1/4 is answer. Question number 5. If 1/3 of a tank hold 60 liters of oil, then what quantity of oil half of the tank hold? So 1/3 of a tank hold oil is 60 liter. So 1/3 of x, let the quantity of total quantity is x. So 1/3 multiply x is equal to 60 x is equal to 60 multiply 30, because here in divide 3, so we write in next side but multiply. Then x is equal to 180 and x/2, because quantity of oil half of the tank hold. x/2 is equal to 180/2, so it's equal to 90 liter. Question number 6. Manoj walked for 11/25 km on Friday and 17/25 km on Saturday. How much more did he walk on Saturday? तो कितना वो ज़्यादा चला सैटरडे को. तो मनोज वॉक ऑन फ्राइडे 11/25 km. He walked on Saturday 17/25 km. So he walked more on Saturday, and that is we subtract 11/25 from 17/25. So 17, the denominator are same, 25 we write common. Then 17 minus 11 is 6/25 km is answer. Question number 7. Arrange 1/6, 5/12, 5/18, 2/3 in descending order. So first we find the LCM of 6, 12, 18 and 3. Though LCM is 18. So this is the LCM factors. Now we make the (36). So here 36. LCM is 36, not 18. 36. So we make the 36. So in first fraction we have to do multiply 6 in numerator and denominator both to make 36 denominator. 6/36. Then multiply by 3 in second fraction. So 5 3 are 15, 5 and 12 3 are 36. And in third fraction we multiply by 2. So 5 multiply 2 is 10/36. In fourth fraction 12 multiply by 12. So 12 2 are 24, 12 3 are 36. So these are all denominator are same. Now arrange in ascending order. We have to arrange in descending order. So now we arrange in descending order. Descending order means we write the fraction into big to small, biggest to smallest. So biggest number is 24, then 15, then 10 upon 36, then 6 upon 36. Now we write the original number 24 upon 36 is last 2 upon 3, and 15 upon second fraction 5 upon 12. Third is 10 upon 36, third fraction 5 upon 18. Fourth is 6 upon 36, first fraction 1 upon 6. So these are the arranged fraction in descending order. Question number 8, arrange these in ascending order. So students, these are also same. The LCM of 4 to 86 is 16. So you can find the LCM from this method. So first we make all denominator 16. So in first fraction we write multiply 4. So 4 upon 16, and in second fraction we multiply by 8. So 24 upon 16. In third fraction we multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator both. So 14 upon 16. In fourth only 1. So 1 upon 16. Now we arrange the fractions in ascending order with smallest to greatest. So 1 upon 16, 4 upon 16, 14 upon 16, 24 upon 16. Now the write the original number. So 1 upon 16, 1 upon 4, 7 upon 8, and 3 upon 2 is the arranging in the ascending order. Now question number 9. Anjana reads 2 upon 5 of a book on the first day and 1 upon 4 of the same book on second day. On which day did she read the major part of the book? So Anjana read a book on first day 2 upon 5 part. She read a book on second day 1 upon 4 part. Now compare both portion. So 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 4. So we first find the LCM of 5 and 4. So LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So 8 upon 20, because we multiply by 4 to make denominator 20. So 4 2 are 8, 4 5 are 20. In second fraction we multiply by 5 in numerator and denominator. So 5 1 are 5, 5 4 are 20. So now we compare the both fraction. So 8 upon 20 is greater than 5 upon 20. So Anjana read major part of the book on first day, because this fraction the first day and this fraction was second day. So this is more than second day. Question number 10. A brick weight 2 whole 1 upon 4 kg. A stone is 1 whole 1 upon 5 kg lighter than the brick. Find the weight of the stone. So weight of a brick is 2 whole 1 upon 4 kg. A stone is lighter than brick 1 whole 1 upon 5 kg. So weight of a stone is 2 whole 1 upon 4 minus 1 whole 1 upon 5 kg. So after change into improper fraction we write 9 upon 4. So 4 2 are 8 over 9 upon 4. The second fraction 5 1 are 5 over 6 upon 5. So these are the improper fraction. So now first we make the LCM, find the LCM of 4 and 5. So LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So we make the both denominator 20. So to make 20 denominator we multiply by 5 in numerator and denominator also. So 5 9 are 45 upon 20. And second fraction, to make the denominator 20 we multiply by 4 into numerator and denominator. So 6 4 are 24 upon 20. Now subtract 24 from 45. So after subtraction we got 21 upon 20. Now we convert into improper mixed fraction. So 1 whole 1 upon 20 is our answer. Question number 11. Add the fraction 3 whole, 5 whole 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 16. So 5 whole 3 upon 8 plus 5 upon 16 is equal to 43 upon 8 and 5 upon 16, because we convert into improper fraction. Now the LCM of 8 and 16, 8 and 16 are denominator of both fraction. So LCM of 8 and 16 is 16. So now we write 16 common and we multiply by 43 into 2 to make the same denominator. So we multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator also in first fraction. So 8 2 are 6, 2 multiply 43 is 86, and the 16 is common factor, the same, so 5 is same. 86 plus 5 is 91 upon 16. After convert into mixed fraction we write 5 whole 16 upon 5 whole 11 upon 16. So denominator are not added directly to add two fractions. We take LCM of denominator of both. जो हम denominator है direct add नहीं करते हैं. First we find the LCM of both denominator and to make the equivalent fraction. Then we add, subtract or compare etc. Now question number 12. What is wrong in the following? So student, 7 upon 4 plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 7 plus 5 upon 4 upon 2. So in previous question we already tell कि we don't add the directly denominator. First we find the LCM of denominator, then we make equivalent fraction, then we add or compare subtraction. So this portion is totally wrong. So 7 plus 5 upon 4 upon 2, 4 plus 2 is equal to 16 upon 6 is equal to 12 is equal to 2 is wrong. Question number 13. Arrange the fraction in ascending order. So student, first we find the LCM of 3, 4, 2 and 6 is equal to 12. So we make the all fraction into 12 denominator. So we multiply by 4 in first fraction. So 4 to 8 upon 12. Then multiply by 3. So 9 upon 12. Multiply by 6. So 6 upon 12. Multiply by 2. So 10 upon 12. So first we arrange in ascending order, smallest to biggest fraction. So 6 upon 12, 8 upon 12, 9 upon 12 and 10 upon 12. Now we write their original fractions. 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 6. So student, question number 14. Arrange the fractions 6 upon 7, 7 upon 8, 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 4 in descending order. So in common, first we find the LCM of 7, 8, 5, 4. The LCM is 280. So now we make the all denominator 280. So these are the denominator and numerator. Now arrange the numbers in descending order. These are the original numbers. So student, there are 4 and 5 questions will cover this type of question in this video. Question number 15. Write 3 upon 4 as a fraction with denominator 44. So 3 upon 4 as a fraction with denominator 44. So we make the denominator 44. So to make the denominator 44, we multiply by 11 in numerator and denominator both. So 3 multiply 11, 33. 4 multiply 11, 44 is answer. Question number 16. Write 5 upon 6 as a fraction with numerator 60. So 5 upon 6 as a fraction with numerator 60. We multiply by 12 in denominator and numerator. So 12 5 is 60 and 12 6 is 72. 16 upon 72 is our answer. Question number 17. Write 129 upon 8 as a mixed fraction. So student, we will divide 129 by 8. So 8 1 are 8 and after subtracting we got 4 and note down the 9 and again divide by 8. 8 is a 48, 1 is remainder. So quotient whole remainder upon division. So 16 whole 1 upon 8 is answer. Question number 18. Add 1 whole 1 upon 4 and 6 whole 1 upon 2. So student, first we convert into mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 4 1 are 4 or 1 5 upon 4, 6 2 are 12 or 13 upon 2. Now take LCM 4, then 5 is same, then 2 2 are 4 and 13 2 is 26. So 5 plus 26 is 31 upon 4. So now we convert into mixed fraction 7 whole 3 upon 4. Student, question number 19, last question of this worksheet. Subtract 5 whole 1 upon 4 from 12 whole 2 upon 3. So first we write 12 whole 2 upon 3 minus 5 whole 1 upon 4. Now we convert into improper fraction 38 upon 3 minus 21 upon 4. Now the take LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So we multiply by 4 in first fraction to make 12 denominator. So after multiply 4 we got 152 and 3 4 are 12 already right. So minus we multiply by 3 in second fraction to make numerator and denominator. So 21 multiply 3 is 63 upon 12. Now we subtract 63 from 152. So 89 upon 12. Now convert into mixed fraction. 7 whole 5 upon 12 is our answer. So student, our 7.6 also done. In next video we will start 7.7.